Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Today I'm going to tell you about that how can we configure an email account on Outlook. Basically, Outlook is a product of Microsoft which is best known as a tool for sending and receiving email messages. Now let's take a look at how can we configure an email account on Outlook. Check manual setup or additional server types. Select POP or IMAP. Enter your credentials here. Select account type POP or IMAP. Let me give you the basic introduction of POP and IMAP. POP, Post of Protocol, is basically used to retrieve emails, and IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol, they basically both serves the same purpose. So I'm going to select IMAP for my incoming mail server. And for outgoing mail server, we use SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, which is used to send the emails. These addresses IMAP, POP3 and SMTP, which I entered into incoming and outgoing servers, is given by our hosting providers. So enter your password here. Go to the more settings, outgoing server, and make sure you have checked this my account server SMTP require authentication. Okay, so guys, we are done with this, and you can test this incoming and outgoing by clicking on next button. This is a demo account, that's why I didn't test this. I'll make another video to tell you about that how can we add signatures for email on Outlook. So thank you so much guys for watching. Keep supporting GoGo Technologies. See you in the next video. Bye bye.